Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen, and today is time to talk about getting ready for the holidays. And for us, that usually means fall cleaning. So I'm going to share with you some of my favorite products from the Libman company that will help make your holiday homekeeping a little bit easier to deal with. Let's go see what this is all about. So nobody likes to think about cleaning, but the holidays are coming, and for me, yeah, spring cleaning is great, but for me, fall cleaning has always been my thing. I love fall cleaning. It's a great time to purge and to really give your house a good clean from top to bottom. I just wanted to share with you some of the products from the Libman company that I have literally been using for years. Anytime I see this green color in the store when I go shopping for a broom or a mop or a brush, I know that it's going to be the Libman name, and I know that I'm going to be able to trust that it's going to last a good long time and it's going to work really, really well. I contacted the Libman company several months ago, and I was able to get up with them, and I would like to thank them for being so generous, and I'm very happy to be sharing this with you today. If you clean, now I'm not here to sell you anything, I'm just sharing with you my personal experience. When I have a brand that I really like, I want to share it. I did not get paid for this video. It is not sponsored. It's just me sharing information with you about products that are going to work for you because I know they work for me. Libman is an American-made company, and they have been around for over 120 years. They started out by making hand-wired corn brooms, and then the founder of the company's sons and grandsons and now great-grandchildren have expanded that mission to include mops and brooms and brushes and all sorts of cleaning tools that we use every single day without fail. What you see here, there are at least 3 things here that we use on a regular basis more than once a day. This broom, for instance, this is the Libman angle broom. This is probably going on my 3rd or 4th broom in the last 10 years, and it's wonderful, and you can unscrew it from the pole and use it to sweep things into your dustpan. This dustpan, the broom and the dustpan often come together. Yes, sold in a set. This dustpan is the best dustpan ever. 9-10 years ago, we used it, and you know, it was the girl's job to do chores in the evening, in the afternoon, and one of them was sweeping the kitchen. Molly at one point was doing her chores, and she used this and swept the dirt into the dustpan, and she's like, it doesn't leave a line. And it doesn't. When these are new, and for a very long time thereafter, when you sweep your dirt into this dustpan, it gets everything into the dustpan. The other plus about this dustpan is, do you see this little hump? You sweep things in, and they're not going to be falling back out. This is their duster brush, their shaped duster brush. They have several different kinds of brushes, brooms, mops, all sorts of fantastic stuff. This I'm excited about. This is the Spin Mop. You guys, this thing is the coolest. So we're going to be doing some B-roll and showing you how this works. But basically, this mop fits in here. When it is wet, it goes in here, and then you stick it in there while it's wet. It attaches to the little spindle that's down in there. So it kind of is a newfangled wringer. But I love me a rag mop. I gotta tell you, this is one of the best. So the Spin Mop is an investment. These run, I don't know, $45, $50 depending on where you buy them, but this is gonna last you a good long time. It's nice durable plastic, and honestly, the best part about that, aside from the fact that it wrings your mop for you, you can pop that mop head off and you can stick it in your washing machine, and you can wash and sanitize it and reuse it. You can also get replacement heads for it. If you don't want to go with the Spin Mop, they have this great split bucket. This bucket has a half, you know, one side for clean and one side for rinsing. So one side for mopping and one side for rinsing. And I love that because then you can, it is genius. And you can use that with this. This is their Self-Wringing Sponge Mop. You guys have seen these sponge mops. They're awesome. And they have scrubbers on the mop, and then they have this great brush. I love these kind of mops. There's several different kinds of mops that I like. My favorite thing that I use every single day, every day, besides the broom and the dustpan, I use this. And this is a brand new model. I have mine sitting in the corner. But look, this is a Freedom Spray Mop. This is like that other popular wet mop that you see, that you You use it, you spray it, you put the little pad on it, you mop it, and then you throw it away. Well, this one is better. This one you can fill with whatever you like. You fill it up with your cleaner, and then you pop it back on here, and then it has a little lever at the top, no batteries. These pads are removable. Okay, so it comes with one pad. You can buy replacement pads. I have 7 of these pads, one for every day of the week. They just go in the washer, and when you're done washing them, just let them air dry. This takes up quick spills, little bitty stains. It's a really great way to do a quick mop on your floor every single day, freshen your floor in between steamings or deep mopping or deep cleaning where you're getting down and dirty and scrubbing the baseboards and all that. This is my favorite mop in the world. This is called the Spiral Sweep. This is brand new and it just came out this month. And if you've seen these kinds of brooms,
we've seen similar ones. We've used similar ones.
We've owned a similar one to this, but it wasn't as good as this. The brushes on this are really big, and it picks up all sorts of stuff. I'll be showing you in some B-roll how this picks up like a pile of Cheerios. You guys are going to be amazed. It's
on other ones that we use, the traction came from the little wheels back here, but after a while they don't get traction anymore because it's too slippery. But these have big grippy wheels up here with little traction wheels on them up here. That's
awesome.
Really nice.
Yeah, they are.
So I like that already.
Yeah, and then it collects in this little, collects in here. So when you want to empty it, you just lift that up and dump it over your trash can, and you're good to go. Here's another great thing that maybe you didn't think about, because I know I didn't think about it. Look, this is a long floor brush, a scrubby brush on a stick. You can use this for your floor or your bathtub or the tile in your shower. If you guys have accessibility issues and you can't like get down on your knees, this is a really great option. It has a really nice swivel head.
With multiple angles.
And it has this nice angled edge on it so that you can really get into the corners. I love this thing, and when you're talking about getting the job done quick, they have a tool for every job. Like this one. Look, this is a microfiber duster, right? It looks like it's just, you know, straight, but it's bendy. Look at this. You can bend this, and then you can go and this extends. You can do and then you can do your ceilings, like you can do the corners and your walls up high. If you're a shorty like I am, you can get way up high and you don't need your husband to help you. And then also the best part, this comes off and you can just slip this in the washing machine. I love that. You guys, this is awesome. This also comes off and you can pop it in the washing machine and then you can have it all ready to go for your next session. I love this thing. It is well used, I know, but I'm telling you what, you're gonna love this. They also make a cleaner. This is the multi-surface version of the floor cleaner. They also make one for hardwood floors, and just so you know, this is like portionable. So you pop the lid on this thing and you squeeze it until this is full. And then it gives you the perfect amount of concentrated cleaner to put in your receptacle for your cleaning fluid in this spray mop. You pour it in there and then you fill this up with water and you're good to go. This stuff works super good. I'm not joking. This stuff works really well. I've never used it before they sent me this because I've never seen this on the shelf in my grocery store, but I will be ordering more because you can get this online. You can buy everything you see here directly from Libman, and I will put links down below to their website where you can go learn more about them, and you can order yourself up everything you're going to need for holiday cleaning. Nobody likes to think about how awesome their broom is or how awesome their mop is, but let's face it, if we don't have the right tools, we can't get the job done in the best way we can and in the quickest way we can. So I am all for having the right tools for the job. Just like you need the right tools in the kitchen to make a great meal, you need all the right tools to clean your house. And Libman has this, what you see before you, and so much more on their website. I'm going to give you a link. You can go there. And if it sounds like I'm gushing, maybe I am, but that's just the way it's going to be. because I think when you find a good product and a good company, then you should share it with others, because
I really love their product.
we really do. That is absolutely the honest truth. I'm really, really pleased, and I'm very, very thankful that they sent us this generous amount of product so that we could share it with you. I hope with the run up to the holidays that you're starting to think about getting your house good and clean and tidy before the company arrives, and that you'll look into some of these products so that you can make your holiday homekeeping a little bit simpler. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you're brand new to my kitchen, welcome. It's always a pleasure to have friends join me. I hope you will hit that subscribe button and come back and visit me often. If you're a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and hit the bell notification button and set your homepage on YouTube to your subscription feed so that you don't miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes, and homekeeping videos that we do all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope that you check Libman out. If you have used their products in the past, or if you own them now, leave a comment down below and tell me what you love about them. And maybe I didn't cover something that you have that I didn't know about. Tell me what your favorite thing is if you know about them. I hope you give some of these products a try if you've never seen them before, and I hope you love them. And until next time, I'll see ya.